Hi, I'm Jay from CloudSponge, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to get CloudSponge Contact Picker installed into your WordPress website. Now I'm starting with a completely fresh WordPress installation. Nothing else has been done to this website. This WordPress install. There's been no plugins or anything added just yet. And I also have a CloudSponge account with a key. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to plugins and click add new and search for CloudSponge, and you will find a plugin that we built called Better Sharing, and you can install that. Now the Better Sharing plugin, it does more than just installing the CloudSponge script into your website. It allows you to create better sharing forms with all kinds of interesting functionality. It's got add-ons for some popular WooCommerce plugins. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to cover the basic installation so that you can get your CloudSponge account connected to your WordPress website. So once you have Better Sharing installed, you activate it. And once you have it activated, you will get a menu like this one. This is called Better Sharing. And at the bottom of that menu, there is the Contact Picker option. Here, you have a place where you can input your API key. So I'll go back to my CloudSponge account, and copy this API key to my clipboard, paste it into this field, and hit save. And that is the first step of our basic installation for WordPress. So if you're looking at our documentation and under the Contact Picker basic installation, it's a three-step process. The first step is to include the Contact Picker JavaScript, which we just did. The Better Sharing plugin handled that for us. And if you are a WordPress implementer and you're working at the HTML level with themes or plugins or templates, then you can go ahead and do step 2 and 3 now. Step 2 being to add a button or link to launch our Contact Picker. So you can label this whatever you like, pick contact, add from address book, whatever makes sense for you. Style it the way you want with your style sheet, and then in step 3, you take any input field. Usually, it's an input field where your users are entering a comma-separated list of email addresses for a referral form or a sharing form or something like that, and you just add this class to it, this CloudSponge Contacts class, so that our Contact Picker knows that this is the input field where you want to put email addresses after your user has selected them from our Contact Picker. And that is it. That's all you need to do to get our picker installed on your WordPress site. And you can find a separate video for more information about everything else that the Better Sharing plugin can do for you. So if you have any questions, you can find us support@cloudsponge.com. You can contact us in our Slack community, or you can use our live chat widget down here on the bottom of your CloudSponge portal. So that's everything you need to know for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.